And the Tong-il Modo national team is optimistic that it will win the overall title at the second edition of the World Martial Arts Mastership Championship, which will kick off tomorrow in South Korea. And as Joshua Makori reports, today saw Tong-il Modo celebrate its 40th year since inception.
After a long journey from Nairobi to South Korea, the Tong-il Modo national team has shaken off jet lag and is now ready for the start of the second edition of World Championship. More than 20 countries are taking part in the global event, with the Kenya represented by 15 players who will participate in different categories.
8 of them will participate in sparring, and then 5 will participate in forms competition. 3 of them will do team forms, and then 2, one male, one woman. Woman will participate in individual forms. Then we also have a team of 2 people who will do special techniques. So the 5 men will participate in sparring in different weight categories, and the 3 ladies will participate in 3 different weight categories in female sparring categories. Most of us feel like we owe the country better results, and of course to bring home many medals.
In 2016, the team won a gold medal, 2 silver and 5 bronze, and it was in 3rd position behind Iran and the Philippines. Today, Tong Ill Moo Do celebrated 40 years since inception. Joshua Makori, NTV, Cheongju, South Korea.